Mushrooms might soon replace metal in computers, and believe it or not, you could even build one at home. Researchers have found a way to turn everyday mushrooms into living computer chips, capable of storing and processing data just like our current tech. Here's how it works. Mushrooms, especially shiitake and button types, have complex natural networks that behave like tiny brains. They can remember electrical signals, just like neurons do. In lab tests, scientists grew and dehydrated mushrooms, then wired them into electronic circuits. The mushrooms switched between electrical states with over 90% accuracy, acting as biological microchips called memristors. Even cooler, when too much electrical load caused errors, adding more mushrooms to the network fixed the problem, just like how the human brain shares workload between neurons. Unlike metal chips, these mushroom chips are biodegradable, energy efficient, and sustainable, offering a glimpse into a future where our computers could literally grow instead of being manufactured. So yes, the computers of tomorrow might not just be smarter, they could be alive,